at Shoemaker Guitar Works. So I've got the fretboard here for the Harmony F32, and I've taped off on the back side where the cracks are, and I've got some rosewood dust, and I've got some black and some amber super glue, CA glue, whatever you want to call it. This is of the Stumac variety. Just happens to be what I have on hand here. So what I'm going to do is, I've actually got some thinner stuff too if I need it. This is more, this is thicker. But up here, pretty much starts up at the beginning. Some places it's not all the way through, some places it is. I apologize if there's background noise. I'm getting new neighbors over here, and they're trying to get things done by November 1st. So what's beautiful about CA glue is it shrinks into the, seeps into the crack. It's a wicking glue. Where the crack's not super wide, I'm trying to use this amber because I think that'll blend in a little better. I hate to pull the frets on this because then the fretboard is going to fall apart. And I would like to keep these original thin brass frets because that's just part of the guitar's mojo. Okay, so down here it's a little darker. Not quite sure why, but I'm going to use the black. Build that in a little bit. And then I'm just going to take some of this rosewood dust and kind of put it, sprinkle it on top of here. I know I'm going to get it on my fingers. sheet here a little bit, so I can get this done before the glue dries. And the reason I use the colored super glue is because along with the wood dust it blends in and then makes it look like the wood grain. I'm gonna actually take a drop of this water thin down here where it's super cracktastic, I should say. Put some more of that rosewood dust in there, and we'll just fill that sucker in. And feel it heating up on my skin. So anyway, as you can see down here it's a little different because I had to fill it in a little thicker, but now all those cracks are filled and the glue is seeped in from below, or from above to below, and so I'm going to leave that on there because I didn't think about that being a fill spot. But my next step will be I'll pull this off and then I'll do the same thing from behind on the crack and get it as tight as possible. And then I'll do things like glue these pieces of binding back on, and we'll be good to go. Then the fretboard, aside from scraping this old hide glue off, will be ready to go. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like what you see, give the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button too. 200 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.